blessed morning, friends in YT all over the world. Please welcome back to my channel, Beauty Lupis. Mega love shout out. Mega love shout out, my friends, my team, Team Sumbi, our beloved chairman, Sir Meryl Ventura, Sir Jasmine, our creative guys, officers and members, and all good friends, except those bad friends. Mega love shout out, guys. Mega love shout out, all those good friends only. Not fake friends. Ako'y kakanta, guys. Ako'y kakanta mahabang mahaba. Ako'y uupo tapos na po. Mega love shout out, guys. Ito na ang kanta natin. Oh yeah, premiere. Oh yeah. Victim daw, victim. Sino bang na victim? Oh yeah. Since I met you, baby, my whole life has changed. Since I met you, baby, my whole life has changed. And everybody tells me that I'm not the same. I don't need nobody to tell my troubles to. I don't need nobody to tell my troubles to. But since I met you, baby, all I need is you. Mega love shout out. Oh yeah. Mega love shout out, guys. Bumpanis. Bumpanis. Mega love shout out. Natatawa ako, guys. Kinakaingitan pala ako sa pagpiping ko sa YouTube. Okay. Maraming galit sa akin. Dahil sa pagpiping. Since I met you, baby, my whole life has changed. Since I met you, baby, my whole life has changed. And everybody tells me that I'm not the same. Oh my God. Since I met you, baby, I'm a happy woman. Since I met you, baby, I'm a happy woman. I'm gonna try to please you in every way I can. I'm gonna try to please you in every way I can. More please stay, guys. Sana pa tayo para sa premiere natin, guys. Guys, masama pala yung mga pagpapalaro ko, pagpapiping ko, pagpapalipad ko dahil sa YouTube. Dahil sa pagpiping ko sa YouTube. May taong galit, may taong sinisita ako, tinatawanan niya ako, guys, dahil sa pagpapalaro ko na yan. Nagpiping ako sa mga WH, nagbabayad ako sa mga kwan ko. Tinatawanan niya ako, guys. Isa pa, guys. Hindi na lang niya pakialaman yung buhay niya. Napakalinis niya kung magsalita, guys. Joni was the girl who lives next door. I've known her, I guess, 10 years or more. Joni wrote me a note one day, and this is what she had to say. Yung pagbili ko ng mga WX, guys, tingin daw. Jamie, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Lahat na ng pagtulong ko sa YT. Tinatawanan niya. Son with love forever true. Masaya ako eh. Slowly I read her note once more. Then I went over to the house next door. Her teardrops fell like rain that day. When I told Joni what I had to say. Wala akong biniktim sa mga pumupunta dito sa YT ko. Joni, Joni, please don't cry. You'll forget me by and by. You're just 15, I'm 22. And Joni, I just can't wait for you. Di ko akalain na ganun pala siya. Son, I'll live our little hometown. Get me a job and try to settle down. But these words keep haunting my memory. The words that Joni said to me. Jamie, please say you'll wait for me. I'll grow up someday, you'll see. Saving all my kisses just for you. Signed with love forever true. I packed my clothes and I caught a plane. I had to say, Judy, I had to explain how my heart was filled with her memory. And as my Johnny, she'd marry me. Oh yeah. Masama palang magbayad o tumulong sa YT. Tinatawanan ka lang ng mga inggitira. My teardrops feel like rain that day when I heard Johnny what I had to say. Hindi pakipagkaibigan ang pagpasok nila sa Team Sundibo, pakikialam lang. You'll forget me by and by. It's been 5 years since you've been gone. Jamie, I married your best friend John. Oh yeah, so pa guys. Pasensya na. Nang dahil sa YT na ito, Diyos mio, maraming naiinggit. Hindi rin sila bumayad kung gusto nila, kung hindi rin sila magpalaro ba para hindi rin sila mag-spend ng kanilang pera para sa kanilang YT. Pakikialaman pa nila ako wala. Yeah. Pinatawanan pa lang niya ako. Baby, frozen tears, it was hard through the years. I'll never give up, never one of my dreams. And deep inside, is my love still alive? And God only knows that I can let you go. When I'm in love, it would be forever. I give you my heart, can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, yes, it's true. If I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, oh baby, I'm dying for your love. Walang pakialaman guys sa gusto ng tao. Kung gusto mong tumulong, tumulong ka rin. Hindi katangahan yun. Kung gusto mong magpalaro, magpalaro ka rin. Kung gusto mong magping, magping ka rin para sa mga katim mo o sa mga ibang tao. And I can't hold on to the feelings that gone, and there's nothing to lose, 'cause I'm playing a fool. When I'm in love, it will be for better. I give you my heart forever and ever. No arms can never hold you more than I do. No man can never love you, baby, it's true. No arms can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, girl, it's true. If I ever lose your love, if I ever lose your heart, oh baby, I'm dying for your love. And if I ever lose your smile, if I ever lose your heart, everybody needs someone to love and say. No arms can never hold you more than I do. No man can never love you, girl, it's true. No arms can never hold you more than I do. You came to me from heaven, yes, it's true. Thank you guys, thank you. Maraming salamat mga friends. Mag-ingat-ingat tayo sa mga pakikipagkaibigan. Hindi pala natin alam ang mga kaibigan na yan. Pag may hindi sila nagustuhan, hindi mo lang nagawa ang kanilang gusto, ura-urada, magiging masama ka na sa kanila. Lahat pala ng mga ginagawa mong kabutihan sa tao ay pinakikialaman nila. Thank you so much guys. Na-share ko lang ito kasi ang sama-sama ng loob ko. May tao akong bye-bye na guys. Thank you for watching. Mega love shout out.